So, welcome to our interview with one of our focus supplier, Sunlord. So, Sunlord is a very important supplier for us for German business. They are supplying our inductors and inductor components. So, my name is Stefan Klein, and I'm Field Application Manager at alfatec at Germany. So, today it's a pleasure to welcome Rachel Zeng. She's the Managing Director for Germany from Sunlord. So, Rachel, can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Rachel Zeng. I'm the Managing Director for Sunlord Germany. Personally, I have been working at Sunlord for 18 years. Most of the time is focused in the EMEA markets.
Yeah, thank you very much for the introduction. So we are very happy to have you here. So for this, we have prepared some questions divided in topics.
Yep.
And the first topic is market, focus, and grow. The aim of this is because products are developed for specific customers, applications, specific markets. So we would like to understand what your focus is from Sunlord regarding the customers in Europe. One of our first questions is, what are the key markets in Europe where Sunlord expects grow revenue within the next 5 years or made special applications?
So for Sunlord, the strategy for the next 5 years in Europe generally is automotive markets, industrial markets, as well as the energy storage. These are our focus for the European markets in the next 5 years.
Yeah, these are also our main businesses, especially the automotive markets, which are consuming a lot of electronic components, and which will also one of the next topics. Yeah, one next question regarding market focus and growth is, how are Sunlord's revenues distributed across different markets and applications, for example, telecom, automotive?
Yeah. So in the past few years, or let's say in 2024, our market share for telecommunication is about 35%. For consumer markets, it's about 26%. Automotive market is 18%. Industrial is about 15%. And then the rest is for other applications. Because Sunlord started automotive business only since 2016. So when we started the company, we started with telecommunication and also consumer markets.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you expect grow in the automotive markets? What do you think, in which markets do you expect in grow in the next 5 years?
Yes, actually, in the last 3 years, automotive section actually has the biggest contribution to our growth. In 2024, we generated about 70% increase compared the year before for automotive section. And for telecommunication and consumer, these markets are more flat in the past years.
Next topic is research and development. So companies are investing in to develop further products. They usually divide in products which can be exchanged by other companies, by other supplier components, or they are the same, or you have made innovation. So you would like to understand the growth in the market with the products you are designing. So what are Sunlord's strategic goals regarding the next 5 years in product development?
So for Sunlord, we have the basic research and development for products. We have two major categories. One is standard components, one is customized components. For our standard components, mainly inductors, our development strategy is downsizing, high frequency, large current, so all in one. For customized parts, we are also developing some high voltage, high current, high power transformers, chokes for power electronics, power devices applications.
So high voltage, high current. So this is exactly what our customers are asking for regarding the power electronics. Yeah, then let's go up to the next question. Supply chain and global influences. So as we see, there are also global influences, which has some situations can cause global effects, which influence the market, supply chain. And we would like to know what Sunlord is doing to react to these situations on the worldwide global market.
So Sunlord, the company was founded in year 2000. Then we first established an international marketing and sales team since 2008. So we dedicated to Japanese markets and Korean market when the consumer market was the driving force at that time. And then since 2011, we have established Sunlord USA. So have sales and FAE located in the United States, more for high-end consumer products, and later on for the AI server, all these applications. And then since 2016, Sunlord established, for automotive BU. Then we started with customers or tier ones in Germany. And 2023, we established Sunlord Germany, located in Nuremberg area. Also, we started our first outside of China factory in Vietnam. So let's say Sunlord would like to be an international and also global manufacturer for electronics devices, especially inductors. We try to provide our local services to our customers as well, considering the global economy situation outside of China. Production Vietnam is our first step. Then we will also take our next steps in other continents as well.
Let's go to the next topic. This is about sustainability. Sustainability is very more and more becoming an important factor regarding to protect the environment. So we'd like to also to understand what Sunlord is doing to reduce, for example, emissions.
Sunlord try to, of course, to save energy in our own production, try to provide or produce our own equipment, which can be more efficient. Also in product development stage, we also try to improve our materials, our product structures to help our customers for energy, higher efficient generation products to also to help to save energy costs or for emission. We are also working with the local government, also as well as a lot of our customers. They are also introducing this emission or carbon dioxide reduction plan together with Sunlord. So the top management is also quite dedicated or committed to this action to achieve a lot of companies or the local government is better in 2030 have a certain percentage of reduction.
Yeah, that's exactly what also companies are doing at Europe. So to lower the emissions, not just to lower the cost, also to save, to achieve a better process. Automotive market is also very important for us at Europe because we have here OEMs producing, developing cars. So we would like to know what kind of products you are producing for the automotive market, especially for the European market.
So actually, Sunlord started our automotive business from Germany with a local German tier one manufacturer, not starting with the local Chinese OEMs or tier ones, but with the German tier ones, because we want to start with the highest standards for quality and requirements. So we have customized designed transformers for a leading German tier one back in 2015, 2016. And ever since, we are now delivering every year millions of pieces of transformers. So for Sunlord, customized parts, also standard parts, we are also dedicated to follow the European Union standards.
Yeah, this is exactly the point. So as we know, it is known that European and also US companies have different standards, which are different to Chinese, if we are allowed to make this comparison. So this is very important also to us, to our customers, because they are asking for standards which you are following here. And go to the next topic. It's also about competitive differentiations. So mentioned already before that many manufacturers have different or same components. Some can be exchanged one by one, or maybe have more innovation. We would like to know what's the unique selling point from Sunlord, what you're making to be different compared to other competitors on the market.
So I would say for Sunlord, our biggest expertise is fully automated production lines. So Sunlord, when we are doing the product design stage, as well as the same time, we have an engineering team for equipment design as well. So our parts, our materials, our product design will fit to a fully automated production line, which up to now, I think 95% of Sunlord productions are fully automated production. So by doing this, we have a very high possibility to reduce the cost, because labor costs in China, especially our area in Shenzhen, is increasing day by day. So Right now, what Sunlord is trying to build is, in the past, we called the lighthouse factory. And now we try to build a light out factory. That means no man needed. So it's fully automated production line. So this is, I think this is the advantage of Sunlord. Also, second is Sunlord has a very wide product range. Since the foundation in 2000, Sunlord mainly focus on the inductive products. So we have the standard parts starting with a very small 008, 004 ferrite beads up to a kilowatt transformer. So you can have a one-stop buy at Sunlord if any L products that needed on a PCB board.
Yeah. So we listened to you also regarding the factories, the full automation, and then I guess you're really proud for this
Yes.
factories. Yeah.
Yeah. So you never visited our factory. So if you have a time, come over and visit us. I think you will be also find something interesting.
I'm very proud to be there. I think your invitation, is also a very important benefit, which we are communicating to our customers, full automated production lines, which can ensure quality, same quality for each product. Yeah. Two more topics. We met this year on the PCIM. And are there any next shows which you are going to visit this year?
Yeah. So there will be some exhibition shows in Shenzhen and China. So this, I'm not sure that we will meet in China. Also, Sunlord will be exhibiting in the Automotive World in Nagoya, Japan in October. So we will also to meet our Japanese tier ones and OEM customers in Japan.
Yeah, this is interesting. So you also would expect to meet visitors for other standing countries.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you very much for answering all these questions.
Thank you.
It was very interesting, and we have now reached the end of this interview. So to close the interview, we'd like to ask you a personal question. Is there any funny thing what you happened to you during the trip to Germany?
I have been traveling to Germany since 2008, basically making a 2 to 3 times visit in Germany. So for me personally, Germany is my second home now. What I find the most different compared to China is that our shops are closed on Sunday. This is a little bit different from China, but I think this is also a good thing. In Shenzhen area, we're working too fast, too much. So I also look forward to a silent Sunday also in Shenzhen, maybe in some years. Also another thing that from time to time I miss in Germany is the German food, German bread. So like a pretzel. And also Kaiserschmarrn is my favorite dessert.
Great. So for next time we will prepare to you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.